what drove me to give Amazon is like it's one of the best companies to work for, and it's
Yeah.
one of the FANG companies. So they have the skill, they have a right set of people,
Mhm.
and they have like good peer group. So that's what motivated me.
Hi everyone, welcome to Chat with Champions, an initiative by Scalar, and I am Vrinda Vaid, your host for the show. And today we have with us Vignesh Mahale, who is currently working at Ola but will soon be switching over to probably one of the biggest companies of the world, which is Amazon. And thank you so much, Vignesh, for joining us today and having this conversation with me.
Thank you for hosting me.
Okay, so Vignesh, I suppose that you are from BITS Pilani, right? You are a
Yes,
student of
yes,
BITS Pilani,
yes, yes,
which
yes, yes.
which is a very happening space to be in, I suppose. so
Yeah.
so I will come to the college years, but let's just do a little more flashback and go to your childhood years. And let me ask you, what was your childhood like? What did you like to do? What were your passions? How was it like?
I was like a average normal kid like this. Like I accept I was a honest student, like regular studies,
Yeah.
then part-time play, and that's it. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, so when you got your job with Ola, where you're
Yes.
working currently, right? And when you appeared for your interview with Amazon, right?
Yes.
How
Yes.
first, how long back was that? When did you appear for your interview for Amazon? And what drove you to sort of give that interview, What excited you in that job and that position?
Okay. Regarding the first part of the question, I appeared to Amazon's interview after 6 months,
Yeah.
which is technically 1 week back. I gave
Okay.
the interview,
Uh-huh.
and what drove me to give Amazon is like it's one of the best companies to work for, and it's
Yeah.
one of the FANG companies. So they have the skill, they have a right set of people,
Mm-hmm.
and they have like good peer group. So that's what motivated me. Actually, apparently my scalar mentor had actually referred me, and his teammates only interviewed me. I have
Wow.
almost given 10 mock interviews with my mentor, so it was almost a similar experience only. So I wasn't nervous, to be honest.
Wow, luck by chance, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very interesting story. Okay, so and now that I've known the process, then I've known that there were people involved who you were sort of in contact with previously, and you knew. So, were there any roadblocks or any hurdles in the preparation process? Do you think there were any challenges?
Uh, in the sense like during college days we used to have time to prepare and all, but once we start working, it gets like preparation becomes very difficult. So only time we get is during weekends. So whatever we need to wrap up, we need to wrap up in weekend only. So there used to be a gap, like I can only prepare Saturday Sunday, 5 days
Yeah,
again gone, again
yeah.
just Saturday Sunday. So that
Okay,
was a major hurdle. Rest all it was fine.
right, right. But how was the interview process like? There were 4 rounds, 5 rounds,
Yes,
three
yeah,
rounds.
yeah. First was the online coding round on
Mm-hmm.
hacker rank.
Mm-hmm.
Post that, there were four on-site rounds. All the four rounds were technical itself, but they asked some managerial-based questions, behavior-based questions in each of the rounds.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, in one of the round was like partially design and DS algo. The rest
Mm-hmm.
all rounds were mainly data success and algorithms.
Mm-hmm.
So that's it.
So, Vignesh, if I were to ask you, how did you sort of, um, think of switching from Ola to Amazon? What was that one thing that really, of course, Amazon is a huge company to start working with, of course. But were there any additional, motivational things for you to sort of make that switch?
Mm, one of the main motivation was the scale at which they operate,
Mm-hmm.
and the type of people they hire, the peer group, and
Okay.
yeah, and obviously the quality. So yeah, and it's one of the FANG companies, so it's a good like brand on our resume too. So these were the three main things which motivated me, and I'd always like people keep on saying getting into Amazon is like a star or like a brand value. So
Yeah.
that was one of the reasons.
Okay. Okay. And for people watching you, what
Yes.
do you think are the must-haves, that you must have, you should have, if you apply to an IT company that you've been dreaming to work with for quite some time?
Yes. First thing, good data success and algorithms skills, and not just the concept. You should be well versed to code it.
Mm-hmm.
Second is low level design. You should be good with low level design,
Yeah.
and you should be like maybe familiar with one of the object oriented programming language, either C++ or Java.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the things. And if you have a projects on your resume, something related to development, it's icing on the cake basically.
Right.
So these are the main things.
Right. Makes sense. Right. Okay. Wow, Vignesh. You were sitting just miles away from Goa, and I'm just going to give you the right thing that will make you feel at at ease in Goa. It's our version of the Coffee with Karan quiz, which is the rapid fire round with Scalar. I will ask you a couple of questions. You just get 3 seconds to answer. So you've
Sure.
literally got to, straighten up your stance and answer them. Okay. First question. When I say dream, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? What's your dream?
Build a unicorn startup.
Unicorn startup. Wow, what's that?
So, something $1 million company. I mean,
Wow. Okay. Yeah. You'll be the next Jeff Bezos, huh? Okay, next question. One college experience that you will never forget in life.
okay. We used to rob stuff from our college supermarket, and
Wow.
so that's one of the craziest stuff we used to do.
Okay, wow. That's interesting. And that's scary. But chalo,
Yes.
theek hai. Okay. What is the hardest lesson that you've learned in your journey?
Uh, okay. Hardest lesson would be if there is something going wrong, just see the positive side of it and keep on working hard.
Right. Okay. What is the one thing that makes you stand out of a crowd?
Uh, dedication. Dedication is the main thing which makes me like. I'm like, if there is some target to be achieved, I try my level best and I never try to deviate away from it. So
Yeah.
dedication is the main thing.
Okay. Wow. And work from home or office?
Work from
Work
home,
from
obviously.
home forever. Life
Forever.
relationship with work from home.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now that we're at the end of the interview, the last question that I would want to ask you is that there are people who are going to be watching you, right? So, what is that one thing that you would want to leave as a message by signing off? People who are looking to work in the same field, what is the one advice that you would want to give them?
One advice is be consistent, be dedicated, and like just go and chase your dreams.
Wow, that's crisp and bang on. Thank you so much, Vignesh, for doing this with me and Scalar. It's been a pleasure talking to you. It's been so much fun. And
Thank you for hosting me.
thank you so much for people watching. This is Vrinda, and we will meet the next time.